I've been through some challenges in the last couple of days that makes me a bit down. Well, a bit down is kind of an understatement. I know things never goes as planned, even though you try to plan it as best as you can, but something always goes wrong. Just like mine. And I haven't felt this down for a very long time. I had bad thoughts. I assumed the worst case scenarios, and that brings me down even more, like a vicious cycle. I couldn't focus with my task on hand. I don't want to go out for a walk with my dog. I don't want to film any YouTube videos, even it's one of my biggest goals to achieve this year. Yeah, it wasn't pretty. One thing about adulthood is that you are responsible, solely responsible for your life, your well-being, and consequences. And that's the beauty of being an adult. You can enjoy tremendous things when you plan and execute it right, but really deep in the shithole when you fuck it up. It kinda surprises me that I'm here writing script for this video, because I usually wouldn't do anything when I feel this down. The fact that I want to document this and share with people online is a huge change for me. I think the change for the better, because I want to share this with you. It's okay to be sad. You could be at any stage of your life right now. I am at the very beginning of my 30s, and there are so many things I want to do and to change. I want to have a fresh start for the next 10 years. But changes are not always easy. Bigger the change you plan to do, the more obstacles you're gonna face. It takes someone really strong mentally to overcome this, and I know for a fact that I need to overcome this. So myself 10 years from now on will thank me for that. You will face obstacles. You will face challenges, and they will destroy you and make you feel like you are not good enough or you couldn't achieve anything. But somehow, that will change. Maybe gradually, or things might take a sharp U-turn, and then you realize, oh, is that all it takes? It wasn't too bad after all. It's okay to be sad, but remember, just hang on tight, don't lose your faith, and good days will come. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the video and the message. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.